Hi, this is Casey, and right now I'm taking a walk on the B&B Family Farms, and I'm looking for these heritage piney woods. So I'm gonna be real quiet, see if I can find them. I think I found one. Here they are. They're wild cows. Well, I chased the cows up in the woods. I mean, not on purpose. I just went over to them, and they're up in those woods over there.
Yeah, they're fine. They run free.
Well, I wanted to go and get closer to them, but I called you because I wondered if that was dangerous.
Those steers?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay.
The steers are. So let me tell you, 'cause the other ones now, you can go back up there on top of the hill where the other cows are in the pen.
Yeah.
You'll be okay. Those are pretty calm. Done real good. We had a bunch of little. It's okay. It's okay. We had a bunch of little girls. You're okay. She's okay. She won't hurt you. She won't hurt you. Lay down. She won't hurt you. She won't hurt you. Where's Mama? There she is. She's coming up behind you. Uh-oh. Just come over here on the other side. She's not going to hurt you. Good. Come on, Mary Jane. Come on. Come on, Mary Jane. We're not going to hurt him. Come on. We're not going to hurt him.
B&B Family Farms has given us a chance, the consumer, the restaurateur, the family, the diner, to engage in a conscious decision to make a difference in how we select our food and provide our food. Since I was a little girl, I have always wondered why things had to be so violent to the earth. I found that eating meat sometimes made me angry. I realized I was eating meat that only had a brutal life, born to grow faster and fatter with no respect to their quality of life. And now, finally, I have met conscious and passionate farmers that have given me this profound and sustainable opportunity to make a better choice for me, my restaurants, and my family. Thank you, B&B Family Farms.